Hey everybody, it's Beth. Tammy's in this wooden crate from Dollar Tree as well as these little bunnies I got from Temu. I painted the crate with plaster colored chalk paint and that's by Waverly. Next I'm taking these stamps which are also from Temu. They're clear stamps and I'm putting them on an acrylic stamp block that is from Dollar Tree. I take out the letters that spell some and I place them and get them lined up right on the stamp block. Press down the ink pad and then push the stamp block onto the wooden crate. I then remove those and do my next set of letters spelling out bunny. So it'll say some bunny loves you. Then I use my heat tool to make sure that ink is fully dry. And then I'm taking some twine and I'm just kind of lining it up across the crate. So the crate itself will be upside down for this project. I cut 3 pieces of twine the same length and hot glue them around the sides as well as the bottom of the crate. I've done it before where I wrap it completely around, but it doesn't sit flat. So I'm just gluing them so it has the appearance that it's wrapped around. And then trim those up. I then take some eucalyptus leaves and I cut those pieces off the pick and then hot glue some of them around that twine and trim them up. Next, I'm taking the bunnies and tracing those out on some cardboard and cutting those out. I spray one side of them with water and let that sit for about 10 minutes and then peel away that top layer so it has that corrugated layer. I then make sure those are completely dry and I'm taking tacky glue and applying that to the bunnies just on one side and then placing down the cardboard. And then painted those entirely with butter pecan acrylic paint, and that's by Folkart. Once those are dry, I'm taking these little bunny tails that I had removed from other bunnies that I had from a previous project and just hot glued those on top of the cardboard towards the bottom. And then take those bunnies and put them on the bottom of the crate, which is the top of my project, and then hot glue them into place. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.